Hi, welcome to the full stack development with Angular 8 and SpringBoot. In this video, we're going to create a model class for book entity. Let's begin. Before that, I'm going to remove the HTML content that the Angular CLI has added to the root component of the view template. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code. First of all, I'll close this package.json. Go to the source folder, and inside the app folder, we have the view template app.component.html, and this is the HTML code that the Angular CLI has added. So let's remove all the HTML content. Let's create a heading tag, and I'm going to add a text bookstore. Let's save this and flip to the browser, and you can see the text bookstore. Okay, now let's create a model class for book entity. Let's go to the Visual Studio Code. I'll make use of the Angular CLI to create services, components, and classes. So let's create a new terminal window. Click on this plus icon. Let's execute the command ng generate class, the class name. I'm going to call this book, and I don't want the spec files to be generated for this class, so I'll set the spec files to false, and I'm going to create a folder common. Which means the Angular CLI will create the model class inside the common folder. As you can see, the Angular CLI has created one file, which is a book.ts, and it is kept it inside the common folder, and it did not generate the spec files because we have set the spec files to false. So inside the app folder, we have a common folder. Inside the common, we have the book.ts file. So now let's define the fields. Make sure to define the same fields which we have defined in the Spring Boot application. Alright, now we have defined all the fields. So in the next video, we are going to create a new component, book list component, and we're going to create a HTML table, and we're going to display the list of books in the list component. So that is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified. I will see you in the next video.